In this review, we're diving into Lexicon, Word Flashcards AI, a newly released software that's making waves for its smart way of helping you learn and remember words faster. If you're someone who's serious about learning new languages, improving vocabulary, or just enhancing your retention skills, you're going to want to stick around for this. Trust me, there are some crucial things you need to know about Lexicon that could change how you approach learning. Before we get into it, if you're interested in trying Lexicon for yourself, there's a link in the description below where you can check it out for free. But let's not waste any time. Let's jump into the 7 key things you need to know about Lexicon, Word Flashcards AI. First, this isn't your average flashcard tool. Lexicon uses artificial intelligence to adapt to your personal learning style, meaning you're not stuck with static, one-size-fits-all decks. The software monitors your progress and adjusts the difficulty level based on your performance. If you're struggling with certain words, it'll bring those up more often. If you're breezing through others, it speeds up the process, keeping things fresh without overwhelming you. Secondly, the AI-powered algorithms aren't just smart, they're incredibly effective. Lexicon doesn't rely on basic repetition. Instead, it uses spaced repetition technology, which has been scientifically proven to improve long-term retention. This means you're not just memorizing, you're embedding these words into your long-term memory at the optimal intervals. If you've used flashcards before but struggled with consistency, Lexicon solves that problem with its intelligent reminder system. Another standout feature is how customizable Lexicon is. You can create your own word lists or let the AI generate them for you based on your learning goals. For example, if you're learning a new language, you can set Lexicon to focus on the most frequently used words in that language, or even words relevant to a specific context like travel or business. This flexibility allows you to really personalize your learning experience. But let's talk about one of the best parts of Lexicon, its ease of use. This software is designed to be incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be tech-savvy to navigate it. The interface is clean and intuitive, which is especially important for anyone just starting out or trying to stay consistent with their learning. Plus, everything is accessible from both desktop and mobile, so you can study on the go, wherever you are. One thing that sets Lexicon apart from other tools is the community integration. You can join groups, compete with friends, or even share your progress to get motivated. The social aspect adds a bit of fun to the learning process, making it feel less like a chore and more like a game, which is a huge plus for maintaining engagement over time. Now, you may be wondering, how much is this going to cost me? Well, the best part is that you can try it completely free through the link below. This is great for anyone who wants to dip their toes into AI-driven learning before committing. Once you've had a taste of what Lexicon can offer, you'll probably want to explore the premium features, but the free version is a solid starting point. Lastly, Lexicon is constantly updating. The team behind the software is focused on improving it based on user feedback, meaning it's not a tool that will stagnate. As new advancements in AI learning are made, you can expect Lexicon to incorporate them, keeping it at the forefront of digital learning tools. Now that we've covered the essentials, remember that I've tested thousands of AI tools, and Lexicon is definitely one of the ones that stands out. If you're serious about expanding your vocabulary and boosting your learning efficiency, this is the software you'll want to try out. You'll find my recommended AI tools in the description below, along with the link to try Lexicon for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.